Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalista, and in today's video I want to be teaching us how to make a healthy weight gain baby pap. And for the purpose of this video, I will be using yellow corn, 1 kg yellow corn, 1 kg guinea corn, and 1 kg of millet. So when you buy your grains from the market, you give it a thorough wash. Trust me guys, the amount of stone and the amount of dirty in this grain will amaze you. Please don't neglect it, because it's something that your baby is going to eat. So we're keeping we're going to be washing it very clean. And I'm sorry for the noise, my son is on this with me as well. So you're going to wash it and wash it. Give it a thorough washing. I usually wash mine for like 5 different times and then sieve it, and you're going to find lots of stone. Yes, you're going to find lots of stone in this. So please don't neglect it. Don't give it to somebody else to wash. Make sure you wash it yourself, because it's what your baby will be taking. So after washing, what I do is I soak it for 4 days. Yes, 4 days. And each day I'm going to rewash it and soak it with fresh water again, just so it doesn't have any funny taste. I'm sorry I lost the video and the pictures of each day that I soaked it, and the video of when I went to grind it with a public grinder. Make sure it is neat. If your blender can carry it, it is fine. When I come back from the grinder, I mix the paste, sorry. I mix the paste with water, enough water.